Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Padma area during the pandemic corona and lockdown for Bali. Let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today in August, Bali is still in lockdown until 9th of August. That's our planning from our government. But it's not for sure. Sometimes it's gonna be like extended again. Okay, today we will explore Padma area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video because I believe there is a lot of people want to know about the condition at the moment in Bali area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. You see the right side, there is big hotel there we call Jakarta Hotel. But in this area it look very quiet. Now we are in Padma Utara Street. So this is the condition at the moment in Padma area. You see left side, all the shop is closed. Right side is hotel, but looks so quiet. In this area, there is a lot of big hotel. You see at the front, left side and right side, look very quiet. Swiss Bell, left side, also quiet. In this area, to go to the beach is only around 300 meters to go to the beach. And usually there is lots of people around here. But today you see the roads look like very empty. And this video I make around 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Usually before the sunset, load the car and motorbike, they drive around here, they go to the beach. You see at the front, there is hotel, but very quiet. In the left side, there is hotel, but looks so empty. You see the left side, right side, the shop is closed. I'm sorry because the quality of this camera is not really good. You see at the front there is a big hotel, but also looks so quiet. Okay, from Padma Street we turn right and then we will explore Sahadewa Street. It's the famous street in Padma area. In Sahadewa Street there is art market, so that's why in this area is always busy. You see left side and right side there is a lot of shop, but they close. And behind this shop there is art market, but no people here today. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Padma area during the pandemic corona and emergency lockdown for Bali. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.